Jerry of Sharika Originals. We are going to make a ring along with another YouTuber. This is an Italian YouTuber, and I can't pronounce the name of her channel, but I will leave her channel information in the description so that you can check out her channel. And this is her channel information. So let me start the video. Well, we're going to be using 12 gauge aluminum wire. We're going to be using a bead. Now, she uses some round beads, but I wanted to use these mud cloth beads that I have because I haven't done anything with them yet. And the idea that she had is so neat and will work really good with these beads. So I have this to make, you can use anything round. I had a big old marker. I don't know what I did with my marker, but I'm using this to shape my ring. And then of course cutters, and then the other pliers. So let's look at the video. She's using big round beads with the beads, but we're going to use like this flat bead here. Basically just showing us the rings that she made. So she's going to do her material now. She's going to measure. I don't normally measure, but I kind of eyeball it. Got her little thing to make her round shape. Fire. Now I take my little other way. I see this is going to be long. Look at it. Put both sides in. Take my pliers and I'll bend each side down. Again, long. I'll just take my bead. Side in, side in, oh, isn't that neat? It's a cute little ring. Wow, how easy was that? Was that quick or what? Love it, love it, love it, love it. Now I have something else I can do with these mud cloth beads. Here she is. Take a closer look. All right. right, good people. I'm gonna leave her let's see, it's Come Fare Simply Ani, something with aluminum. But her information will be in the description, so check her out. And we're gonna do more of these where I find different things that artists have done, and then we're gonna make along with them. All right, good people, this is Sherry. You know what to do. Leave me a comment, thumbs up. Let me know what you think about this. All right, this is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed.